Hey guys, what's going on? Just making this quick little video right here to talk a little bit about the recent upgrades that we've implemented right here on WolfGrowth.com. And we managed to make the software way better. The clients are getting way better results right now. Some people even like 5x, 6x their whole followers grow from one day to another after we release these updates. And if you're recently logged into wolfgrowth.club, your dashboard, or .xyz, you can actually see in the top right corner there's a little news notification popping up that kind of goes through everything that we've changed, that we've added to the software. In this video right here, I just want to go through this real quick. Okay, so as you can see right here, we made a bunch of changes right here. Okay, and you can check, you can read all of this for yourself. You'll log into your account and then click the notification bar. But in this video, I just want to go through it real quick. Okay, so the changes we made to the obviously the main feature that everyone loves, which is the Mass Story Engager Pro feature. The changes we made right here, we improved the story viewing and likes feature as a whole, and it now comes with 4 different algorithms for selecting how many stories of the same user you can like. And that's a big one when you think about it. That will increase a lot of people's followers right away just by implementing that. Then we added a little feature right here that allows users who are managing client accounts, which are usually like bigger agencies and stuff like that. We're now allowing them to pause when their subscription ends, which is kind of convenient because you can pause the clients and then you can restart them whenever you feel like it. Then we also fixed the whole pausing issue kind of thing. Tasks now automatically restart with the improved smart algorithm, because before there was like some little issues going on where it was just like paused and you would have to log into your account again. It would be kind of inconvenient for some people, and it wouldn't happen a lot, but it would just happen sometimes. We ultimately fixed that right now. Okay. Then the whole statistics issue that happened for a few people, which basically made some of the stats disappear in some dashboards. Also, it wasn't like a huge deal, but we still fixed it. It has fully been resolved. Then the whole gender selection feature is now available in Wolf Pro and Wolf Business. Okay, so that's a big one. Now you can really mass story view just based on genders and all of these things, right? And that's basically what it looks like right here on the inside of software when you have your target settings. You can see, as you can see right here, followers following, that's always been there, right? But now you got so much more. You got people's followers, people's followings, reels feed, likers, that has been there. Hashtags been there before, obviously. But what's new right here, obviously, is post by keyword, where you can type in a keyword right here, or you can obviously use your target list and add a bunch of keywords right here. Now also post by keyword likers, right? So you can mass view the stories of all the people who like specific posts related to the keywords you type in. Same goes for reels, people who watch certain reels, people who like certain reels just based on the keywords you type in. People who are all the people who are interested in that type of stuff, your keywords that you type in, you can view all. You can pretty much use WolfGrowth to mass view all of these people's stories. Okay, and then obviously user IDs, you can literally just technically you just add like 1 million people and you can view all the stories off. Okay, which is another great feature. Now what we also changed right here, now you can check the different for your targets. You can just click right here and check the the report, whether or not it's a good target. So this guy right here, for me, that is actually a good target with a 2.64% engagement rate per post and 3 million followers right here. That's a very good target when we check this one right here. As you can see, and a lot of people where you think they're good targets are not the best targets, right? So even Tony Robbins right here is not really a good target. He only gets like 0.12% engagement rate, which is actually a bad target, right? But we still let him be in here because we can never view enough stories, right? So now the other thing is the new thing is the whole gender selection right here. Okay, now you can enable that, and obviously you can do male, unisex, or female, right? So that's pretty much it. There's nothing more to say. You can obviously filter people by gender now, which is pretty neat, which is pretty nice. We also added new target types for Wolf Business. Obviously, it's just for Wolf Business, so you won't have access to that if you're on the Plus or the Pro version of the software. But we implemented a whole self timeline and timeline likers for expanded reach, which is another reason why you should go with Wolf Business, to be honest, to get the full amount of effectiveness out of the software right here. Okay. Then we also added keyword-based targeting in Wolf Business. Okay, keyword-based targeting is huge, if you know what I mean, because before that, you could target people based on the username, based on hashtags, locations, stuff like that. Now you can target people based on gender, keywords, and all of these types of things, right? Keywords are huge because it means people are interested in, you can search people based on what they're actually interested in a sense of like not just who they follow, but what they're looking for, what they're searching for on a daily basis. Okay. Now, upgraded language filter algorithm, which is very nice, very convenient. Also, another big thing right here, activity time is no longer required. The algorithm manages task schedules, so you don't have to worry about anything anymore. The algorithm, the WolfGrowth AI algorithm, is gonna do all of that stuff for you. Okay. Before, they still have to like make these settings, when do you want to run it, when you want to stop it, when you don't want to run it through the night, whatever. The algorithm right now pretty much determines based on what is best for your account and best for your growth. As I said, most people who are, after we implemented these changes, like 90% of our clients have seen positive results and a positive impact on their followers' growth right after we implemented them. Okay. Some people like even 10x their followers' growth in one day, and instead of like 50 followers, they got like 500, it's just the way it goes, so, yeah, other changes, as you can see right here. I will not go through all of this right now, especially this one right here, because this is just login stuff. You can check this all of our site right here. By the way, I will actually link the URL right here in the description so you can check it out for yourself if you're interested in that. Changes to your profile editor, that is also pretty important. That has nothing to do obviously with the whole mass story engager pro thing where you can actually grow the followers and stuff like that, but it's still very important and one of the main features of the software, because a lot of people, especially people who add a lot of accounts to the software, agencies, etc., they do need to manage their accounts through WolfGrowth because they just have so much workload and so much stuff they want to post that they just use the software to manage all of that. Okay, so now you can actually edit your username from within the software. You can upload your profile picture and a bunch of other stuff right here, and the most important one obviously is you can manage your followers and followings lists right on the app, right on wolfgrowth.com. Okay, so whole profile editor has also been updated. It's way faster right now. When you upload stuff, the upload speed has been increased. The whole way you manage your photos and videos on wolfgrowth.com has been significantly improved when it comes to speed. Okay, there we go. Better speed, unmatched satisfaction, our promise to you. Okay, and that's pretty much it. We made sure with this update that WolfGrowth is the fastest and best software on the market, and no one else can really compete. Okay, so if you have not signed up for WolfGrowth yet, I highly encourage you to do it right now. Just go to the site. You can find a link in the description. Get going, grow your followers. It works. Yeah, that's it. I just want to make this quick little video showcasing these updates right here. You can, again, I put a link in the description. You can check out the website for yourself. You can check the whole post and see what's new right here. That being said, that's it for now, and see you in the next video.